Hey guys, welcome to Coffee Talk with Dion. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Seize the Day. This is our A size transfer, 5x7, and we're going to be doing this on a glass frame. You see the glass in there. So let me just share this to my VIP group while I'm waiting for anyone to come in and say hello. If you're just joining me, please say hi and let me know if you're watching live, which is on that side. Above me, I will tell you there's a red box that says live. And if you don't see that, then you're watching the replay. And you could type hashtag replay in the comments and let me know you were here. I would appreciate it. Let me go ahead and share this to my group really quick. If you're not part of my VIP group, type VIP in the comments and I can send you the link, or you can click the link in the description above. I have the link to the VIP group there as well. Hi, Bill. So I'm going to be using Chalk Couture teal, and thank you, and pesto. Because it's a turtle, I figured he had to be green, but I'll put some of the bright color. We may mix in a little of the bright white into the turtle because we're going to be doing, which I forgot to put in the description, but we're going to be doing a little hot mess technique on the turtle itself. So we'll get started. Being that this is a glass surface, this is just an inexpensive frame I picked up at the local discount store. Apparently we're not supposed to say where we get things. I don't know why, but apparently that's what's supposed to happen. But this is glass on here, and it is more like a little shadow box in there. There was something raised up on the inside, and I took it out, and I put some cardstock in the background. So we're just going to take our transfer. And you always want to write on the back of your transfer, back or the name of the transfer. And this is Seize the Day. And I'm going to use our fuzzing cloth. This is the fuzzing cloth made by Chalk Couture. It is double-sided, a terry cloth on one side, a microfiber on the other. I don't know why, oh, excuse me 1 minute, I need a drink. The microfiber side is for drying your transfers, drying your surface, like your chalkboards and whatnot. If you're removing an image from a chalkboard or a couture boutique board and you use your board eraser, you want to wipe that down with a board eraser, you'll use this side to dry off after you're done. This side is your fuzzing side. I don't know what's going on. I'm choking over here. I don't know why. Excuse me. So this side will put somewhat of a buffer between the transfer and your surface. And when you're using glass, you have to fuzz a lot. So you want to make sure that you're fuzzing. So we're going to remove this from the backer. You can see it's very, very sticky. And it is a silk screen, not a stencil. I'm going to put that down. Now, if you don't have our fuzzing cloth, you can use a bath towel. You can use a hand towel, anything that's terry cloth, or even your t-shirt. You can just slap it on your t-shirt and get some fuzz from your shirt. You don't want your hair in it, like I just got some hair. But you just want to fuzz it well because you are putting it on a non-porous surface, and it will stick much firmer to that surface if you do not fuzz well. This is all you have to do to get that fuzz on there is rub it into the cloth, pick it up, pull it down, put it down. And I'm just doing this numerous times because it is glass. With glass and ceramics, you do not have to wax your surface, but you do have to fuzz very well. Okay? So always make sure you're using the right side. This is my top, so I'm going to start here. This is my top. And I'm going to try to line this up. Make sure I don't have any extra fuzz in the silkscreen area. So you just want to get that extra fuzz out or the paste won't go through. It's got this little piece right here, little bugger. Otherwise, we're good. Okay, I'm just going to center this down. And the font is a really fun font on here, so you're not even going to see, and that's good. You're not going to see if it's slightly off center. So it actually looks pretty good to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that I have no bubbles in my transfer, and I'm just going to rub those silk screen areas, and obviously you can see in here there's a lot of silk screen and not a lot of vinyl with the stickiness holding that down. So you want to make sure that those vinyl pieces are down and that you have no bubbles. If you have bubbles, you could get some bleeding, and the chalk will bleed under the transfer. Okay, so I'm going to start with our Couture Teal, right? You know what? No. Yes. Let's start with Couture Teal. I'm going to open the pesto too while we're at it. And maybe the bright white, just in case if I need some. I'm going to open that up. So if you're popping on, please say hello. I'd love to know you're there and say hello. So I'm going to take my, what is all, oh, I got glue on that one. My mini squeegee, and I'm going to dip it in my paste, pick up a little bit of paste, and then put it on the transfer like this and pull down. Hi, Tony Ann. So I'm going to pull down through the transfer, and I don't want to hit my turtle. And I'm actually going to leave this on a little thick right now because I don't want it to dry quickly. And we're going to go down here and do the same down here. The reason I'm going to leave it a little thick is because I want to do the turtle and try to reveal all at once. So I'm going to just leave this a little thick on here and take off the excess later. All right, now we're going to do the turtle. We're going to try to move quickly with the turtle. I'm going to put little blotches down of the pesto because I'm going to do a little bit of a hot mess kind of look with the turtle. And I don't want him to be all solid green. I do want to put some of the, I'm going to save that squeegee, some of the teal in with him to lighten him up just a little bit. So this is called hot mess when you mix colors, and you can mix multiple colors together. That looks good. We're going to go with it. So I'll take a different squeegee. Whoopsie. Put that over there. I'll take a different squeegee, and I'm just going to kind of like move the paste through the turtle. And I've seen this done multiple ways. I'm just using like a little X pattern as I move through it to kind of blend those two colors together. I figured he's a turtle. He's got to be green, right? Just make sure that you do cover all your silk screen area. And now we're going to take off. Now this, you're not going to be able to save because you've mixed the colors. So I'm just going to grab a little towel over here, and we're going to squeegee this part off. And we're going to have a multicolored turtle. Okay, so that color we're not going to keep. I'm going to go back with the teal, and I'm going to take off this first, and then take off up here. And I'm going to put all that teal right back in the jar. We're not going to waste that. Okay, and then we're going to peel and reveal. Now you want to peel up. Hey Lisa, hi Nancy. You're gonna want to peel up from the center of your transfer and just pull straight up. You don't want it to curl, so you just want to go straight up. I'm stuck on the frame. Woo! And there we go. My multicolored turtle. It's called Hot Mess. I think I like it. I think the turtle came out cute. I love to seize the day under there. I was going to do a glitter paper under there, and then I had glitter all over my desk, and then for another frame that I had, I accidentally cut it wrong. I'm like, man, I haven't scrapbooked in years, and I'm really out of practice cutting my paper. I was like, I really messed it up. So I put white cardstock under here. So hopefully you guys can see that little hot mess technique. And I did have to paint the frame. I just like threw it together. It is like a goldish color underneath, and as I was painting it, I did like that some of that darkness was coming through. So that's my little hot mess technique. That is actually all I have for you guys tonight for a project. I wanted to also let you know that today we launched a brand new business in a box kit, or opportunity kit, however you want to call it. If you're looking to have a hobby in Chalk Couture, or you want to join the business and start your own business, type team in the comments. I'd love to have you as a teammate. And they have a beautiful kit, and there's a picture of it. If you go to my website, there's a picture of it under Become a Designer, and you could see the whole kit. There's 3 brand new transfers in there that no one's ever seen before, so it's like a sneak peek for us. Also, being April 1st is our new Club Couture transfer is out, and that is a beautiful saying that says, what if I fall, but darling, what if you fly? And it's a really beautiful saying, giving encouragement to keep going and try something new, and maybe trying Chalk Couture is what you guys need to do. So our Club Couture, I do have a link again for that in the description above. That is a monthly subscription service. It's only $19.99 a month US, $26.99 a month Canadian. It's only a 3-month commitment if you want to try it out. And today is the very last day to get into my Chalk Night virtual team Zoom party going on the end of April. And you just have to purchase a Try Me kit from my shop, and then you'll get emails to get yourself entered into that Chalk Night Zoom. Today is the last day because shipping has been delayed. And we want to make sure that everybody can get their kits on time. So today's the deadline for entry to that. I think I've covered it all. If you want to get in my VIP group, type VIP in the comments and I will send you the link for that. But there is, again, a link above in the description. I've tried to give you guys all the information right above. I'm going to try to come up with another project. I was working on prepping some surfaces that I got on clearance at another great crafting store that we all love, and I gotta figure out what I want to do with them. So as soon as I can get something together for you guys, I would love to show you again. And this hot mess technique, Tony, thank you. It's a lot of fun even with more colors. I know these colors, I saw that somebody use these colors, and I thought, well, that's cute for the turtle and the mix the teal. I think it probably needed a little white, maybe. I don't know. It's okay, though. But they look great if you can coordinate like 3 colors, like you stagger like a dark blue, a light blue, and then a really light blue, and stagger them together, and something looks beautiful. So anyway, thank you guys for hopping on and spending the last 15 minutes with me. I appreciate your time, and I'll look for something else for us to do tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great night. Bye-bye.